Hi guys, my name is Abina. Today we're gonna look around of the entire world. But let's look around. Let's look the another side of the water. Let's look, my sister. Look. Let's look another side. What are you still doing? Okay, let's go to the another side. Okay, we're here. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Let's open the window. Okay, we open the window. Let's look around. Whoa, there's a water. Whoa, this is so cool. I never seen this before. This is my first time seeing this. But let's go. We have a big water. But it's gonna be done. But let's go.
Cheese.